Hi, I'm Dr. Mike Duncan. I'm the National Sciences and Engineering Research Council's Industrial Research Chair for Colleges in Precision Agriculture and Environmental Technologies here at Niagara College. So here at Niagara College, we're developing a set of tools to help the farmer understand the technological process of moving data from their combine through to something that they can use in terms of the fertilizers and amendments that they will have to apply to the crop in order to achieve their yearly yields. So understanding these yearly yields and understanding the variability that's involved in them is made a lot easier through visualization. And so our tools take the data from the combine. The farmer simply removes the SD card that the combine puts all the data on, put it into their computer. They run our web software, which projects our computer power into their offices. So they don't need a big computer or an IT infrastructure. So the farmer will then know both the economics and the total net inputs that go into the field. So basically they can figure out, they can budget a cost per acre, and then they can figure out typically what they're going to get in terms of a return. So that'll give them an idea economically of how the field works from year to year. So one of the things that we began to work on here at Niagara College is based on a suggestion by a farmer from Minto, Manitoba. His premise is that by increasing the soil organic matter in farm fields across the world, we can completely absorb or mitigate the carbon emissions from the entire planet. We've done some calculations that show that given the amount of soil organic matter, by increasing it by about 1/4%, you can actually generate across all the fields of the world about 10 gigatons of carbon that you're removing from the atmosphere. And this basically totally negates the amount of projected carbon that's going into the atmosphere as of 2018. So to continue the evolution or the buildup of soil organic matter is beneficial to everybody, because it makes for far better and far healthier fields. It makes for far better food. It makes for farms that are resistant to changes and resistant to the climate change that's going on. And in fact, it actually reverses and mitigates it. So once upon a time, I was reading a book by Carl Sagan, and his suggestion was, he did a comparison between people and a snail. The snail carries a house around it on its back. You know, how long would it take people to evolve to the point where they could carry a house around on their back? He said basically humans developed the house a different way. They developed a brain. And so the evolution of the brain allowed them to invent technology. And the technology allows them to build a house. So humans, given a brain, can adapt faster and more easily to any environment on Earth than our little snail friend, who spent 500,000 years developing that little house of his. The point is that we can quickly adapt and we can quickly evolve techniques and tools that can solve most of the problems that we have. The crop portal is a piece of technology that helps farmers do things better. The regenerative agriculture is a technology that will help save the planet. The evolution of electric cars will also contribute. We are very much capable of mitigating all of these problems through technology. And the technology is a byproduct of our own evolution.